It's Pinakbet Friday today, mga ka-kitchen, and we will show you the original recipe of the famous Pinakbet Ilocano. Ang pinakbet o pakbet Ilocano ay sadyang hindi ginigisa at ang aking tatang's recipe ay may sahog na vegan longganisa. So, hindi na natin kailangan maglagay ng bawang at suka, mga kitchen, kasi ang original Pinakbet Ilocano recipe ay talagang nilalagyan namin ng konting sukang Ilocos. We will start by pan-searing our meat along with the vegan longganisa until the pork fat is rendered. Set aside natin ang ating sahog na karne, and then let's go ahead and slice and cut all our veggies plus our tomatoes, onion, and ginger, and we will put all this straight to our cooking pot. After stacking all our veggies at iba pang sangkap sa ating kaldero, ay pwede na natin ilagay yung ating sahog na karne at vegan longganisa. At isunod na natin ilagay ang isa pang bida sa ating pakbet recipe, ang napakabangong isdang bagoong. Idalute natin ito sa isang malaking baso ng hot water at ating salahin para isabaw sa ating Pinakbet Ilocano. Leave it uncovered when it's already boiling on medium-high heat to preserve the natural colors of our veggies. And then simmer down on low until the broth is reduced. We are ready to serve. Come and have a taste of our original Pinakbet Ilocano. Mangantayon!